Do you want to go ahead and turn off your active status on Facebook and Messenger? So it's important to know that they are two separate things that we have to go ahead and go into our settings to change. Even though Facebook owns Messenger, you still have to go into Messenger separately as well. So the first thing we can do is go into Facebook, go to your menu button at the top left-hand corner. It may be a little bit different depending on what phone you may have. So once you're here, you want to go down to Settings and Privacy and go ahead and click on Settings. And then from here, you just want to scroll down until you see Audience and Visibility and go ahead to Active Status and go ahead and toggle that off. It's super easy to do. This is going to tell you that people will not be able to see when you're online Facebook. But now that we've done that, we can go ahead and go into Messenger. So come out of your Facebook settings and go to your Messenger. Once you're here, you want to go to the menu button at the bottom right-hand corner and then go to your settings. And from here, it's at the very top. You just want to go to your active status and go ahead and easily just toggle this off. And then from this point forward, you are 100% turned off your active status so that no one on Messenger or Facebook can see when you're online currently. And that's it. It's super easy.